1, 2, 3, 4. That's basically it. I think I could end the tutorial there. Pretty basic. You can download the PDF if you want the lyrics and everything using the links in the description. So this was suggested by one of our community members. The link in the description will take you to that, and then you can check it out and see what you think. All right. So this comes from the 10th chord collection that I recorded recently. The lesson is there on the community. But anyway, it's basically these 3 chords are very simple. The first one is B minor, and these are chords in the key of D and the key of B minor, used very often. So 7th fret, and the picking is 6th string, 4th string, and 3rd string. And you start with a pinch. Let me teach you the picking pattern real quick before we do the chord. So you start with a pinch, and then you have the steady bass line just repeating. And then if you want to add the other notes, it goes like this. P, P, M, P, I, P. Love it. Love these kind of songs. Okay, pretty boring song, the original, I think, but you can really spice it up if you want to. A, G, A. And then you just keep doing that throughout the whole song. Light shining on a lonely, sitting on a wood game, cigarette, bird down body night. Am I right? There's a good old boy in a bad situation to remember the time. Something like that. I don't really know the melody that well, but good song. Thanks for suggesting it, and see you in another video. Short tutorial here, but hey, if it gets you to play the song, gets you to play the song. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I speak American. It's been a long day. I've also already recorded a bunch of videos and having a good time doing it. Cheers.